Why buy two attachments when you can buy one? The perfect hybrid of a land rake and a riddle bucket.
Hello, I'm Glenn here from Rhinox. I'm one of the dealer sales team. It's my job to work with dealers to introduce buckets and attachments for their market leading brands.
And I'm Josh, the marketing manager here at Rhinox, and it's my job to make sure you know about the latest and greatest that Rhinox have to offer.
This video we'll be discussing the Rake Riddle Bucket and the key features and comparisons to that and the land rake and the Riddle Bucket.
And hopefully answer any key questions you may have. This looks like a interesting product, Glenn. Could you tell me a little bit about it, what it is, what it does, some of the features, please?
Yeah, sure, Josh. So this is really the hybrid of the land rake and also the Riddle Bucket. Is the Riddle Bucket style body, but with the land rake style tines. These are narrower tines compared to that of the land rake, which allows you to sort through smaller, loose material.
Brilliant. So you can use this as a rake and as well as a Riddle Bucket?
You can, yeah, absolutely. So this is suited for carrying things such as logs and sorting through finer material to get that perfect finish that you want. That's brilliant, Josh. So why would I choose this one Rake Riddle Bucket over the land rake and the Rake Riddle Bucket?
Yeah, so obviously this attachment is the hybrid of the two. So it gives you much more flexibility from one attachment. You're not having to purchase two attachments. So you get the tines at the front, just like a normal land rake would. And you also get the back of the bucket as a riddle bucket, so you can use it to sort aggregates, especially in landscapers jobs and house builders, stuff like that, where you need that nice finished surface as you leave. You can do both jobs in one. You can leave nice even tine marks in the ground, as well as pulling out any rubble or anything that you don't want left behind.
Excellent.
When the job's finished.
Perfect attachment.
One of the questions we often get asked about the Rake Riddle Bucket, Glenn, is am I better off picking this up using a quick hitch, or should I use this with the fixed pin method through the dipper arm?
That's an interesting question, Josh. At Rhinox we recommend you do, as it prevents the wear of the dipper end and also from damaging your tipping links, bending, twisting. We do have a specific video that explains the benefits and advantages of using a quick hitch. The pins are replaceable if there ever does occur any wear, which again prolongs the life of your bucket.
So Glenn, what machine makes and models are these available for, and what size range can we manufacture them for?
Yeah, that's good, Josh. So currently we manufacture it from 1.5 tonne machines up to 8 tonne machines, and most makes and models and machines such as Kubota, JCB, Hitachi, Takeuchi, Yanmar, Sany. We'll put a link below in the description of all the makes that we currently are available to supply. As standard, it is generally the size of your grading bucket for your relative machine.
Okay, so if you had a 36-inch grading bucket on your machine, you would have a 36-inch wide Rake Riddle Bucket, is that how it works?
That's right, yep, and obviously the larger the machine, the more ground you cover, dependent on what size grader they have.
Yeah, brilliant.
Cost-wise, Josh, what am I looking at for one of these?
Yeah, so these Rake Riddle Buckets start at £460 or $1,000 including shipping for the US and Canada. But if you compare that to the price of buying a Riddle Bucket and a land rake, you know, the savings are going to be over £600 or $1,500. So really easy to justify, in my opinion.
Perfect. So if I was to order today, are they available from stock or is there a small lead time?
Yeah, great question. So we do keep most common makes and models in stock. However, there are quite a few machine models that would have to be made to order, but these are on a 5 to 7 day lead time before dispatch.
Perfect, so not long at all then, really?
No. Thanks for watching. Check out our video here on how to measure your pin dimensions. And don't forget, follow us on our social media channels below.
Over buying two individual. That's excellent, Josh. So what would I choose? He just laughs at me.